Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick ClickUp guide, I'm going to show you how to get your list ID in ClickUp. It's actually really simple, but, a lot of people miss where it's located. So, we'll look at the main two places where you can find it. And yeah, let's get started. First, go ahead and log into your ClickUp account using your email and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, just take a second to let everything load. All right, so next, open the space where your list is located, then open the folder. This part is important because, yeah, ClickUp only shows the list ID once you're actually inside the list. Now, the easiest way, and honestly the fastest way, is just looking at your browser's URL. Once you open the list, you'll see a long link at the top. Near the end of that link, you'll see a set of numbers. That's the list ID. It usually shows right after the word list. So if you just copy that number, you're good to go. If you want another option, or maybe you're double checking, you can also find the list ID inside the list settings. Just click the three dots in the top right corner, then choose List Settings. Scroll a little bit and you'll see List ID. This is helpful if your browser URL changes because of redirects or apps like the desktop version. Once you find it, just copy it. You can use it for ClickUp automations, Zapier, Make, API calls, and pretty much any workflow that needs a list reference. And yeah, that's really all you need. And that's it. Your list ID is ready to use. If this helped, feel free to check out my other ClickUp guides.